So he didn't listen to anything I said? Let me see. I'll just go here. Volume, microphone working. Um, Let me just see. Maybe that doesn't work. Okay. Well, I hope that you guys are listening to what I'm saying because I am not. I cannot hear anything. Hmm. That was working there, but then this is only. All right, I think it's working now. Good luck. Good. Super. You're listening to what I'm saying now. All right. So yes, the GBP code reverse there. Um, that's 8124. We want to get out at 8252 for a 1 to 1 reservoir ratio. Think I want to get off and then let me just think it through. 121 to 50, that's 0.25% in. Yeah, I will wait. I'm gonna wait. We're going to hold the profits. So because let me just see the trades, right? See, that's EuroCAD. EuroCAD working nicely towards TP. Should we just secure the back on this one? Well, things are going as expected. Let me see another one. Let's see CAD CHF. CAD CHF went up. And let's see AUD CAD. AUD CAD. This sell price could go to fulfill that gap. This is another account. This just took me out and then it's just getting me to another account. So something happened with the internet. Let me just try to fix this. Let me just see what happened here. So, yeah. So something hit. I don't know. Nothing hit anything. It's just the sound it makes when it. Yeah. All right. Let me just get to the normal account with the current account. Okay. All right. I think we're getting back online right now. We should. Having some trouble connecting back. Bear with me for a second. Okay. Correct credentials. Okay, well, some troubleshooting, but okay, back. Things are back. Let me just share with you the normal screen. Okay, things are going like this so far. AUD cat broke this support, so it will keep going to where we want it, or it could happen just temporary. Um, so it was for entries, risking almost half of a percent of the account. We're looking for a cumulative profit of $252. And so far it's working. I have some doubts, and I think I would like to exit in a profit of just $121. And then maybe keep trading. It's just 10 a.m. This is good. This is good what is happening right now. Because that's where a trader misses the point. So, um, but I think I wanna hold. I wanna accept if things get lost, and I think I wanna keep adding some more positions. Um, I think so. Should I have kept? I think when I stopped trading after four positions, I should have kept going to my normal 10 positions, right? But anyway, let's just keep holding to see if we can get into a one-to-one risk reward ratio for a winning day. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't, right? So just trying to be consistent, right? That's what we want to be, consistent. I think if I do this in person, that's nice. Okay. Um, but I want to get to the. Let me just think through. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna let things open as they are. And if I can get to a 80K 252, I will be out, or I will have to accept a losing day of probably $252. Because winning 0.315 of per day, I think it's fine. And the beautiful thing of this is, if I had kept trading, then with the risk being the same on a one-to-one risk reward ratio, that means I am prepared to hold for a while and to accept to win or lose, because I believe winning days should be more often than losing days. Let me just go to the journal really quick because I have some idea going on right now in my mind. I have an idea here and I want to make sure I tell you this idea. Do you keep a journal? I keep a journal. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, February 19th, 20th, 2024. Um, the what's going on now is that maybe the system should have some conditions such if price went, if nothing hit stop loss immediately, then holding for certain time. If something hits stop loss immediately, then hold for a different time or something like that. It is valid for some kind of research. Right. So what is happening now is then I want. Let me see which screen I want. What happened with it? What is the canvas screen? I don't know where it went. Alright. Let me just see. Is there a way to have this on portrait mode? I think I want a portrait. Let me just see something really quick. I want this portrait mode. Let's have this on the bottom and then let's have these things in here and this like this. Let me just do that a little bit more transparent, I think. Let's do that. That turned out to look nice. But what is the other thing? What just happened? Oh man. This is the one I want to mess with. Let's go like that. Let's do this. Let's do this one. Let's take this here for a moment. I have to get this one right. Let's just try to get this right. I think that's nice enough, I think. All right. Let's see if it works. It works beautiful. Alright, I think like this, right? So I could lose $252 and I shouldn't settle for less than the same to go on a 1-to-1 risk return ratio. But the only problem with this is, should I do that only if price went, if my bias was correct right at the beginning, and then if not, maybe we could go 50% of that. Let me just think it through. I think I should have added more positions. I'm not sure. AED cat though keeps, I think it wants to keep going down for a while, which is nice because then that just means that your cat also could be just going nicely down longer. But this was an interesting candle though. Let's just see. When price gets shy in here, usually I like taking profits there, like securing the profits and reducing the stop loss. But I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Let me just see something here. Okay. Let's just reduce the sound of these notifications that are entering. Yes, things are good. Can you hear my music? Yeah, you don't hear my music. Let me see what happens if I switch the microphone. So I want you to hear my music. I want you to listen to my music. So let's see. Let's see if you're watching, someone watching, then let me just put the volume up a little bit more. Let me see how it's that. Yes. I like how this, I love this approach of knowing how much I'm willing to win or to accept as a loss. But I don't know if it contemplates taking partials because see, this was the profit here. Then I saw this candle, then I saw this candle, and I didn't take partial profits right there. So it was just shy of my profit by 4 pips, but now it's just 11 pips away. Alright, but I think, yeah, and that's sometimes it's because, let me just see something. Where are we? Let me just close some windows. Let me just close some stuff. Too much windows going on here. I'm getting crazy with all these things. Alright, let me see what we can do here. Because this thing is so annoying. because even though the take profit of 25 feet is just perfect when I am entering at the perfect place to enter. Let me tell you what I mean. Right? So this is what I mean. And I think I'm done with that issue. So Eurocat did go our direction, right? I sold it and yeah, I sold it because it wasn't the half of these two current points. So then what I want is I really want to start making my take profits from my perspective on the psychological levels that I'm writing my book about. So I'm let me just try to do this. This is what I'm talking about. If I did that, then I should be willing for it to come all this way over here. So let me just do something here. Because I'm going to start today taking my profits where where my book says actually. I think I'm ready to start doing this. Why not? That's TP1 and 2. And let me just do this. That's TP1 and 2. And let's do say as TP1 and 2. Actually, I don't like the color it has. I believe it with that color. Yes, why not? Yes. TP1 and 2. Actually, that's what I want then. Then, if the thing works, it works. If the thing doesn't work, and it doesn't work. At least those are the levels that I should have, and then of course I will take profits if things go my way as they are supposed to go. I think I should believe that those good things will happen. Then, then this thing should be take profit 3, AP3, AP2, and this should be TP4. Right? So save as TP4. I will do that today, I think. So let's do it. 1.46 euro cut. That's TP1 and 2. And 1.4569. 691, 45, 695. And then 1.45, 1.45, 381. So that will be take profit with the system of the things that could happen. I think that makes sense though. Why not? So let me see. That's your card. How is going with CHF, right? CHF, CHF. So let me do something. So let's do right. TP1 should be here. TP1 and 2, right? Point 65 to 30. Okay, TP1 and 2. Then TP3 should be right here, which is 0.65, 548. 0.65, 548. And then TP4 should be here, 0.65, 8%. Now that is a bias made with science, not just. And of course, if I go on a large, larger temporality, um, those places will make sense, right? This press to get there, press to get here, press to come here, right? But that's not the point right now. So I think I want to do things. This is the before. You know what? I thought I was want things to look the same. Come on. Alright, anyway, and that's cat CHF. Let's see AUD cat, AUD cat. What's happening in here? How did we enter in this one if it's just why it doesn't show all my chats? Oh, it happened today. Oh, and that. So I want this thing TP1 should be right here, and that should be TP1 and 2. 0.88, 527. Yeah. Then this should be. Why is it? Uh, TP3 should be at 0.8821. Yeah, I want to do this actually. And then TP4 should be here. 0.8793. 0.87, 90, right? So then these guys have a stop loss from with science. Let me now open something that is called open one, and let's just switch it to three to show I think the entries that we have open. I think those are the ones surviving, which um, is that right? Let me just see something here. Yeah, positions. Okay. So yes, EuroCAD, CAD CHF, ALE CAD. Alright. EuroCAD, EuroCAD, CAD CHF, and ALE CAD. Right? But it doesn't open the broker one, the one that has EuroCAD. I want FSCM, and then one on top EuroCAD with FSCM, and then that's open, right? We just decided to this position is open. EuroCAD. Why it doesn't show the map? Oh, it shows it all the way over there. Alright, then CAD is there and EuroCAD is there. Right? Yes. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. I think that makes sense for me. That makes sense for me. Those will be the places where money should get there. 45 minutes. I don't like how it looks. There's no bugs. I want this, and that. Okay, I like it that way. Why your cut is two times? Come on, come on. This sucks. Let me just put this right. That should be EuroCAD, CAD CHF, FXM, and AVCAD with FXM. See, that is correct. That is correct, lady. The only one is being bought is CAD CHF. Oh, it just your card CHF. We're selling this, we're buying this, we're selling this. Now we are talking same language. Alright. And this is something. Everybody does that? So yes. Okay, this is nice, but I want, let me show you. I really want these three screens in the same place. This one, I want this one, and I want this one. So I need to have some way to have all these things on the same screen. I want this one, and I want this one. Let's see. I think this is good because if I go here, I can close everything. And then this one can go up bigger, right? It's just looks so messy there. Let me see, maybe this, right? All the data, all the info we need is this, actually. Yes. That's another today because it doesn't have any other column. So if that's all the info we need, and then this is all the info we need. Let me do something here. If something goes wrong, we can go like this, and we can leave that screen alone over there. Because of course we can. If this is space use, we will use it like this. Then this thing can be a little bit bigger. Okay, okay, this is what is going on right now. Okay, so I think that makes sense for now. I like how things are going, and I like the take profit places where if prices reject in those areas, mathematically it won't reach that far. Mm. But anyway, I want to live on a. If I win, I want to one. I want to live in a 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. Um, it is 10:30 a.m. here in my city. UTC 96 Mexico City time. 1 to 1 risk reward ratio will mean I can get more space like this. I can have a little bit more space. Um, Do I want it? I think so. Let's see. Oh, it's because it's a little over there. Let me see. Okay. Well, AD Cadis is doing super great, but it's going nice so far. They could change, but at least Price has good chances if it goes back there to keep going our way if it decided to come back. So we're going to be betting on $2. So here it has to say 80k 252 and it has not said that yet. But at least the trades, even though we've lost big on one, which had GBP there. The other ones are looking nice. And just the only thing that I am just debating is because one trade hits stop loss strongly, maybe when those things happen, I should just accept 0.50% of the possible win. And then those very nice days when price goes our way strictly, like no losses at the beginning, then those ones get to 1%. Wow, I love that idea. I'm loving that idea. Let me just put it in the journal because it really makes sense to me, this idea right now. It is with me. I'm just built on this idea. Where will we proceed? Yes. If all rates go positive right away, get out at a 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. If something hits stop loss right away, get out at plus 1 at 50% of the possible reward, which is right now. Which is right now actually. I'm getting out of everything and then I will explain to you why it took. Right? That's nice to do. Let me just show you what I just did with what I'm just learning. Just make sure the sound is not, it's just not, yeah, the sound is good. Right, so let me tell you what I just did, right? Today I left with a plus 0.21%, 0.21%. I wanted to win 0.315, but what happened was something hit the stop loss, which was AUD, GBP AUD. So when those things happen, get out at 50% of the possible reward. Wow, I'm loving what is going on right now in my mind. I really want to make sure this thing stays in the system. This is something that is going to go to the system. So when I get a great idea that it goes to the system, I put it green. You can see the journal, and when I see something that goes into the system, it goes green. So this is an idea you can take for your trading journal. I do everything white, important things, but green things go to the system. So bear with me for a second because this thing is just something I'm going to do just for the sake of my mentor teachings, Mark Douglas, of taking profits consistently, right? Um, if all trades go positive right away, get out of the 1-to-1 return risk reward ratio. If something hits stop loss right away, get out at 50% of the possible reward, which will be which will be a 1 to 0.5 risk reward ratio. It doesn't matter what option is this one. So um, if you don't get if none of the above happen, then hope for a break even. Hope for breaking even by 1 p.m. So let's talk about time, right? Hmm. So I have to make sure um, this makes sense with this. And this has to be able to live in the same, how do you say, pecera in English, right? Um, Fish tank, right? I want them to be able to live in the same fish tank. So this is the fish tank. So let me just put this in here. And I put it red just because this is what I'm thinking about right now. So bear with me for a second. This is very important. This is a good information. Um, this is a good information. So both let's go positive right away. Get at the 1-to-1 return ratio. So best possible scenario is going up right away. We go out in between at least 0.7%. of the risk. That is the 1.1. That is the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay. I think this is space. So it's going up right away. We go out in between at least 0.7%. I mean, that is not enough. We go out, we go out in profit. In profit of 1-to-1 reservoir. But, I think exit criteria A should be um, this. I think that should be now the exit criteria. Yes. And then this goes here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What is going on here? This video is going to be watched a million times because this is gold. This is gold. Best possible scenario is going up right away. We go out in profit of if it happens, we go out in profit of 1-to-1 is the one ratio. I'm so excited for what is going on right now. We go out in profit of 1-to-1 with the ratio exit criteria. Wow. That will be 1-to-1 with reward ratio. Then sometimes, even if the immediate outcome started red, then what I want is this, the other if this. I'm so blessed to have this information coming to me today. This replaces all this, and this just goes to something that it will look like this. Once upon a time. And then if this happen, then proper breaking even by 1 p.m. or get out in a loss by 2 p.m. Which will be something like break even or lose or loss. Break even or loss. So then this is exit criteria B now. Now if this will have to go all the way to here, right? and then we do exit criteria right here. Yeah. Wow, this is so important. This is so good. So then this doesn't apply now, which is actually this, right? Exit criteria C. If A or B, if A or B don't happen, let's do it like that. Yes. If A and B don't happen, or loss, or get out with a loss by B. Oh my gosh, this is so important, so good. What is this? Yeah. So what is it here? Just put it here. Just put it here. Just put it around this a bit. Okay, I'm just making a mess here. Bear with me for a second. Just making a mess, but I think it's worth the time. Okay. I want to put this like this, right? Nothing else. Okay. Alright. So like the name of that. The same name. Let's just have this. That line is not straight. I think there was a button I can press. Is that blue and white? Okay, tell me what, right? Zero should be a straight line. It's funny. Hey, has to stay that way then. I like this, how this looks like. I like how this looks like. So today I left with this because something hit stop loss. That's just the formula for consistent winning right there for free. Thank me later. I really want to put a title on this, which is the formula for consistent winning. There we go. And that's why I exited the market with um, with an equity of 0.21% today. 0.21%. Wow. So excited. I will end the live video right now. Let's see how things kept going. Things kept going our way. But we don't care, right? We already took our profits. Um, we don't know. We don't know if price is going to come back. If price is going to reach over there. Um, price could, but price could not, and we are happy with the one-to-one risk reward ratio because of this, right? Because of this. Because of this one right here. We take profit. Doesn't matter if the move is going to end up being a reversal or a continuation. So if this thing is going to be a reversal or a continuation, right? Bear with me for a second. This is what I'm saying right now. Doesn't matter if price is going to do a reversal, a complete reversal, or if price is going to do a continuation. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I will get out with my one-to-one risk reward ratio. A profit. Consistent winning. Winning consistently. I love this. Great. Well, I'm going to end the transmission, the broadcast right now. In profit again. I really love what is going on. I hope anybody watching this can know that you can win consistently the markets. Stop stream.